Hello and welcome, Dale here for Best for Systems, and today we're going to be looking at the 3M PELTOR EEP-100 electronic earplug kit. With their simple one-button design, the EEP-100s are discreet and comfortable, level-dependent hearing protectors. They would be ideal for leisure shooting, or for people who work within industrial high noise areas such as construction, manufacturing or recycling. The EEP-100s will reduce noise levels by 36 decibels. They also feature an ambient listening function. This will allow you to hear your surroundings and communicate with others without the need to take the earplugs out. They have an IP54 rating. This means that they offer limited levels of resistance to water and dust ingress. As for battery life, 3M state that they will last from a full charge for 16 hours, so that is more than enough to see you through a working day. In the box you get the EEP-100 earplugs, the charging case with USB cable, and a selection of different size ear tips that will allow you to find the most comfortable and effective fit for you. If you have a question about the EEP-100s, please leave me a comment below, or if you would like advice on ensuring the best hearing protection at the best price for you and your team, please get in contact via the website or on the telephone number. Both can be found in the description below. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.